Hello dear Taurus, and welcome to your first half of June readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started. Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising. The first week of June, you're so busy. Doing what? Well, you are attending meetings, workshops, you are having parties, some of you. You are being visited by friends, or you're going and visiting your friends. There are reunions planned. So there is a lot of social hustle and bustle happening in your life at this point of time. For some of you, you are meeting people when it comes to your workplace. You're having some kind of seminars with them, meetings with them. So there's a lot of give and take, exchange of opinions. Something important most probably is happening at workplace also is what I see, my dear Taurians, for you. I also see you making new friends at this point of time. You know, when we meet people, we discuss, some of us click with some and with some we don't. So you might click with many people, but make sure you don't take people at face value. Wait before you really open your heart in front of them. Don't give away any kind of what can I say, don't be too frank with them. Wait a bit, test them before you really trust them. Okay, that's what I see. Even for my Taurian students, is going to be socially packed week for you is what I see. There's a lot of get-togethers happening also for my dear Taurian students also is what I see over here. And here the new friends that you make, some of them can be very important for you when it comes to your work life in the future. Okay, some kind of information they can give you at this point of time also is what I see, my dear Taurians, for you. And if you're interested in tarot oracles, and if you're wondering how to find your first deck, then I have made a wonderful write-up of that you will find in the description box below. It is free for you. Okay, like how to find your first deck, and there I also explain the difference between tarot and oracles also. So if you're interested in knowing in detail like what should be to find your first deck, it's all very nicely, it has been explained. So I would invite a few moments from you to go to the description box below and download it for free. And then we go to the second week. Now the second week's energy is a very dynamic energy. And how is it dynamic, my dear Taurians? Well, it is dynamic because for my dear Taurians, I'm seeing that you're planning travel, you're planning a holiday, you're planning long distance travel. Some of you are traveling also. I see more travels undertaken for work purpose also. So either you're driving a lot, you're taking the bus or the train or the plane at this point of time, or are planning some kind of a long distance vacation also in the times to come is what I see, my dear Taurians, for you in the second week. Very dynamic energy once again is what I see for my dear Taurians in the second week. I'm also seeing that you will be on the top of things at this point of time when it comes to your work, when it comes to your relationships also. If you've been feeling lonely because you're single, then you're not going to stay single for very long is what I see, my dear Taurians, with this energy. And for the Taurians who are coupled, you might go on a holiday also together in the second week of June is what I'm seeing, my dear Taurians, for you. And I'm also seeing, my dear Taurians, in the second week is that money matters will flourish at this point of time. Some kind of positive energy is coming into your financial life is what I see, my dear Taurians, for you. All I can tell you, just one piece of suggestion regarding your health is take care of your throat and your lungs, okay? Because I see that you can catch some kind of virus, something like that, or microbe, or even allergic cough, cold can happen at this point of time is what I am seeing. And keep drinking a lot of water, and make sure the water is pure and clean, all right? And I also see that those people who are eating a lot of fish, just be careful. I would say cook it well before you eat it, because I see that there can be some problems regarding the fish. in the food. This is what I'm seeing in the second week, my dear Taurians, for you. But otherwise, it's a very, very positive energy. Lovely, lovely energy, my dear Taurians, for you. Thank you for listening. Please do like, share, and comment. And I shall see you the second half of June. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.